Have you ever had your laptop start typing on its own while you were working? It's panic-inducing, isn't it? Hello, friends of Karunia Computer Sintang, and I'm Andy again. We have an Asus A407M laptop at our service desk today, which is experiencing a fairly common problem, ghost typing. The main cause is usually dirt, dust, or moisture trapped in the membrane layer under the keys. This causes the electrical path to short-circuit, making it seem as if the keys are being pressed continuously. The good news is, we don't always have to replace the keyboard with a new one. In this video, I will show you how to service the membrane directly by prying the keyboard keys open. Let's do it! The first and most important step, we must identify which key is the culprit. Open a browser and go to the keyboard tester website. Well, you've got it, right? The P key is constantly lit up here. That means the problem is focused on this area only. Turn off the laptop, and we'll start a small operation. Now we're getting to the part that requires God-level patience. Use the smallest flat blade screwdriver or pointed tweezers. Gently insert it into the top or bottom corner of the button. Pry with a gentle twisting motion until you hear a click and the button comes loose. Be careful not to use excessive force, as the plastic hook won't break. Now we're getting to the part that requires God-level patience. Use the smallest flat blade screwdriver or pointed tweezers. Gently insert it into the top or bottom corner of the button. Pry with a gentle twisting motion until you hear a click and the button comes loose. Be careful not to use excessive force, as the plastic hook won't break. Once the key is removed, you'll see the black hinge and the rubber membrane in the middle. Sometimes you'll need to lift the black hinge with tweezers to create more space. Remember where you'll install it later. Beneath this rubber is the circuit membrane layer. There's usually dried liquid or dust that keeps the two layers of plastic membrane from sticking together. Dampen a cotton swab with a little isopropyl alcohol or contact cleaner. Don't overwet it, just damp. Clean the area around and under the rubber. If there's any stubborn dirt, gently lift it out with the tip of a pair of tweezers. Make sure the area is completely dry after cleaning. Allow about 1 to 2 minutes for the remaining alcohol to evaporate completely. Now, pay close attention to the tweezers I'm using. Insert the tip of the tweezers into the membrane layer to separate the upper membrane and the lower membrane. You must use a magnifying lens to see it. Well, now the keyboard is back to normal. Okay, now it's time to reattach the keyboard hinges and keys. Tips for reassembling: look at the black hinge number. If you see that number, it's the top part, with the same position as the small and large hinges. Then, carefully insert the small hinge into the large hinge. Be careful not to break the hook. If it breaks, it can no longer be used. Please watch this video carefully, okay?
Yeah, came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presents on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country.
Pry the small side of the hinge so that the hook fits into the hole on the edge of the large hinge. Please do it carefully. Sorry for the blurry video because I used a digital microscope.
Ranch, I just told you that I'm bout it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body.
Let's reassemble the components. Place the black hinge back in its original position, then place the plastic button on top, align it, and press the center with your finger until it clicks. Make sure it feels good when pressed, not thumping.
Who you know? Running like this, nobody. Can't go slow. I gotta hit that body. I'm the top of the top. I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot and you not. That's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road. Gotta go home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, and I know you love.
Press the left and right sides of the hinge.
Yeah, they can't get like me. Rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff links, something like a movie. Country boy steppin', yeah, I'm country boy steppin'. Country boy steppin', yeah, I'm country boy steppin', yeah. too crazy. Better take that knee and kiss my ring, cause I be royalty. Everywhere I go, my scene, and they be hating. That's such a lame thing, yeah, y'all be
Now it's time for us to put the keys back in until we hear a click sound. Pretty easy, right? But remember, this button pricking trick requires extra care. If you're unsure or the button hook breaks, it's best to leave it to the experts. If you're in Sintang or the surrounding area, just bring it directly to Karunia Computer, and we'll handle it. We hope this keyboard membrane repair tutorial is helpful. Don't forget to leave a like, leave any questions in the comments, and subscribe to our channel. My name is Andy, thanks for watching, and see you in the next repair trick.
My people got my back, and I know that that's a fact. So I won't worry about a thing, I'm gonna keep on burning track. Do you get what I mean? I got faith in my